Let's discuss Smokey Robinson, government name William Robinson, and his wife Frances Robinson being sued by four women alleging sexual assault and battery. It was filed in Los Angeles Superior Court this week. According to NBC News, in the lawsuit, the four women have decided to not share their identities and only go by Jane Doe, alleged that they were repeatedly sexually assaulted and AR'd through their years being employed as housekeepers for the Robinson. The lawsuit says that each of the four plaintiffs were unwilling to report the Robinsons' unlawful acts to the authorities due to fear of losing their livelihood, embarrassment, shame, and humiliation to their family, as well as being threatened and intimidated by the Robinson celebrity staff. Frances Robinson is included in this lawsuit because it alleges that she failed to take appropriate corrective action to prevent Smokey's deviant misconduct despite having full knowledge of his prior acts of sexual misconduct, having settled cases with other women that suffered and experienced similar sexual assault perpetrated by him. In addition to the claims of sexual assault, the lawsuit also claims a hostile work environment, stating that the couple did not pay minimum wage, that did not pay for overtime, and did not provide rest or lunch breaks. The plaintiffs are seeking $50 million in damages, as well as special damages, punitive damages, prejudgment interest, and any further release as deemed appropriate by the court. The Robinsons' attorney, Christopher Frost, has issued a statement with NBC News stating that the evidence will show that this is simply an ugly method to try to extract money from an 85-year-old American icon, $50 million to be exact. He referred to the proceedings in the case so far as bizarre theatrics and accused the plaintiff's attorneys of trying to enlist the public as an unwilling participant in the media circus they are trying to create. So let's discuss. These allegations are for actions that occurred between 2007 and 2024. So at that time, Smokey Robinson was not 85 years old. I do feel as if age has nothing to do with the power that you can exert over somebody else, especially when you are their employer. And definitely age has nothing to do with your employer causing a hostile work environment. The dollar amount always grabs people's attention. It is a civil lawsuit. There's always going to be a dollar amount attached. So people see $50 million, they automatically assume that it's a money grab. But since we don't have any evidence, any further details besides the four women, what they are alleging, and Smokey Robinson's attorneys, denial of the allegations, we don't know if it's true or not. But I do believe that people tend to see the money and automatically think that people are just going after his money. Questioning, why did they take so long to report it? Why are they asking for so much money? In that instance, I always want people to put yourselves in their position. How much money would you want if you were harmed or assaulted or put in this type of hostile environment and you were intimidated by somebody of this status? So I don't know what happened to my sound. I'm sure I said something very deep and profound, but it all boils down to we have allegation, denials until we get more evidence. I don't want to assume that they are lying or assume that he is guilty. So until next time.